To install your flooring underlay, you'll need gloves, a knife, a ruler, and some tape. Don't even think about skipping this step. A good underlay is the key to a great floor. It absorbs sound, stops rising damp from below, and evens out small irregularities. So how do you get started? First, roll out a piece of underlay and push it up to the wall. Make sure you install the underlay in the same direction as you wish to install the floor. Put a box of planks on it to hold that end in place before rolling out the rest in the other direction. Then cut it off at the nearest perforated edge. If your walls don't meet at right angles, don't worry. Measure the distance between your underlay and the farthest point on the wall. Mark this on your underlay. If your slanted wall is wider than your underlay, make a second mark where the slanted walls end. Use a plank to connect both marks. Cut along this plank and you've fitted your underlay perfectly. If a piece of underlay gets damaged, cut the damaged piece out and replace it with a fresh piece. Pro tip: use a slightly bigger piece of underlay to cut out the damaged piece. Tape this piece to the existing underlay. Lay the underlay one row at a time. When it's time to unroll your second row of underlay, tape them together. This way you'll avoid overlapping of the underlay and guarantee the tightness of your damp screen. Need more tips? Take a look at the other Pergo tutorials.